Are you looking to refresh your home's look, but not sure where to start? Did you know that your choice of interior design can impact your mood and even your productivity? From timeless classics to modern trends, there's a perfect style for everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll explore 30 inspiring interior design styles that can transform your living space. Whether you're drawn to rustic charm, sleek modernity, or something in between, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and find the perfect design style for your home. First up, we have classic styles that include traditional. Traditional design is timeless and elegant. It draws inspiration from 18th and 19th century European decor. Expect to see classic furniture pieces, rich colors, and intricate details. Think dark wood, silk, and velvet. This style often features symmetrical arrangements and formal settings. It's perfect for those who love a refined and sophisticated look. Victorian. Victorian style emerged during the reign of Queen Victoria. It's known for its opulence and grandeur. This style includes ornate furniture, elaborate patterns, and rich colors like deep reds, greens, and golds. Decorative elements such as fringes, tassels, and carved wood are common. Victorian homes feel luxurious and dramatic, ideal for those who appreciate history and elegance. Colonial. Colonial design is influenced by the early American settlers. It combines elements from English, French, Dutch, and Spanish styles. Key features include simple, functional furniture, muted colors, and natural materials like wood and stone. Colonial homes often have a rustic charm with a touch of formality. This style is great for those who appreciate simplicity and history. French country. French country design blends elegance with rustic charm. It features refined furnishings, intricate moldings, and luxurious fabrics. Soft, muted colors like pastels and earth tones are common. Natural materials such as wood and stone add warmth. This style emphasizes comfort and coziness, creating a welcoming and charming atmosphere. Mediterranean. Mediterranean design is inspired by the coastal regions of Spain, Greece, and Italy. It's characterized by warm, earthy colors and natural materials like terracotta, stone, and wrought iron. Arched doorways, textured walls, and wooden beams are common features. This style creates a relaxed and inviting ambience, perfect for those who love a sunny and breezy feel. Now we have modern styles that includes modern. Modern design focuses on simplicity, function, and clean lines. It emerged in the early 20th century and is characterized by a lack of ornamentation. Expect to see open spaces, neutral colors, and natural materials like wood and leather. Furniture has simple shapes and is often elevated off the floor. Modern design is perfect for those who prefer a clutter-free and functional space. Contemporary. Contemporary design is often confused with modern design, but it's constantly evolving. It reflects current trends and borrows elements from various styles. Key features include neutral colors, clean lines, and a mix of textures. Contemporary homes often have an open floor plan and incorporate sustainable materials. This style is great for those who love to stay up to date with design trends. Minimalist. Minimalist design is all about simplicity and functionality. It focuses on the essentials, with minimal use of decor. Spaces are uncluttered and often feature neutral colors. Furniture is sleek and simple, with clean lines and no excess ornamentation. Minimalist design creates a calm and serene environment, perfect for those who prefer a peaceful and orderly space. Scandinavian. Scandinavian design combines functionality and beauty. It's characterized by light colors, natural materials, and clean lines. Spaces are bright and airy, with an emphasis on simplicity and comfort. Furniture is often made of wood and features simple, elegant designs. Scandinavian homes feel cozy and inviting, ideal for those who appreciate a minimalist yet warm aesthetic. Next, let's explore eclectic styles include bohemian. Bohemian design is all about creativity and personal expression. It features a mix of colors, patterns, and textures from around the world. There are no strict rules. It's a carefree and relaxed style. Common elements include vintage furniture, rugs, and lots of plants. Bohemian homes are perfect for those who love a vibrant and eclectic look. Shabby chic. Shabby chic design blends vintage and chic elements. It's characterized by distressed furniture, pastel colors, and floral patterns. The style has a soft, feminine feel, with an emphasis on comfort and charm. Accessories like vintage mirrors, lace, and ruffled fabrics are common. Shabby chic is perfect for those who love a romantic and whimsical aesthetic. Industrial. Industrial design draws inspiration from warehouses and factories. It features raw materials like brick, metal, and concrete. Exposed pipes, ductwork, and beams are common elements. The color palette is typically neutral, with shades of gray, black, and brown. Industrial design creates a rugged and edgy look, ideal for those who appreciate an urban vibe. Rustic. Rustic design emphasizes natural elements and textures. It features materials like wood, stone, and metal. Furniture is often handmade or has a distressed look. The color palette includes earthy tones like browns, greens, and beiges. Rustic homes feel warm and cozy, perfect for those who love a natural and laid-back atmosphere. Let's talk on global styles which have Japanese. Japanese design focuses on simplicity and natural elements. It emphasizes harmony, balance, and tranquility. Key features include minimal furniture, sliding doors, and natural materials like wood and paper. The color palette is neutral, with shades of white, beige, and brown. Japanese design creates a serene and peaceful environment, ideal for those who appreciate simplicity and calm. Moroccan. Moroccan design is known for its rich colors and intricate patterns. It features bold hues like red, blue, and gold, and elaborate designs. Common elements include mosaic tiles, lanterns, and carved wood. The style is luxurious and exotic, creating a vibrant and opulent atmosphere. Moroccan homes are perfect for those who love a touch of the exotic. Japandi. A fusion of Japanese and Scandinavian design, Japandi combines simplicity and minimalism with a touch of earthy warmth. It features natural materials and a calming, grounded atmosphere. Indian. Indian design is characterized by vibrant colors and elaborate patterns. It features rich fabrics, carved wood, and intricate decor. Common elements include colorful rugs, cushions, and drapes. The style is lively and vibrant, with a mix of traditional and contemporary elements. Indian homes feel warm and inviting, ideal for those who appreciate rich textures and colors. African. African design emphasizes earthy colors and natural materials. It features elements like wood, stone, and woven fabrics. Common decor includes tribal prints, masks, and sculptures. The color palette includes shades of brown, beige, and green. African design creates a warm and earthy atmosphere, perfect for those who love a connection to nature. Now move on to the thematic styles that includes coastal. Coastal design is inspired by beach and ocean elements. It features light colors, natural materials, and relaxed furnishings. Common elements include wicker furniture, nautical decor, and seashells. The color palette includes shades of blue, white, and beige. Coastal homes feel breezy and tranquil, perfect for those who love a beachy vibe. Farmhouse. Farmhouse design blends rustic charm with modern comforts. It features natural materials, vintage furniture, and cozy textiles. Common elements include wood beams, shiplap walls, and farmhouse sinks. The color palette includes soft, muted tones like white, beige, and gray. Farmhouse homes feel warm and inviting, ideal for those who appreciate a cozy and lived-in look. Tropical. Tropical design uses bright colors and natural elements to create a lively atmosphere. It features bold patterns, vibrant hues, and plenty of greenery. Common elements include bamboo furniture, tropical prints, and rattan. The color palette includes shades of green, blue, and yellow. Tropical homes feel fresh and vibrant, perfect for those who love a sunny and energetic vibe. Southwestern. Southwestern design is influenced by Native American and Spanish cultures. It features earthy colors, natural materials, and bold patterns. Common elements include woven textiles, pottery, and adobe walls. The color palette includes shades of brown, red, and turquoise. Southwestern homes feel warm and inviting, ideal for those who appreciate a rich and colorful aesthetic. Now discuss the vintage styles. Art Deco. Art Deco design emerged in the 1920s and 1930s. It's known for its bold geometric shapes, luxurious materials, and vibrant colors. Common elements include mirrored furniture, chrome accents, and rich fabrics like velvet. The style is glamorous and sophisticated, creating a sense of luxury and elegance. Art Deco homes are perfect for those who love a touch of vintage glamour. Mid-century modern. Mid-century modern design is characterized by clean lines, organic shapes, and functional furniture. It emerged in the mid-20th century and features simple, yet stylish elements. Common materials include wood, metal, and plastic. The color palette includes bright, bold colors like orange, yellow, and teal. Mid-century modern homes feel retro and chic, ideal for those who appreciate classic design. Retro. Retro design is inspired by past decades, particularly the 1950s, 60s, and 70s. It features bold colors, playful patterns, and funky furniture. Common elements include vintage appliances, geometric shapes, and eclectic decor. The style is fun and nostalgic, creating a lively and upbeat atmosphere. Retro homes are perfect for those who love a touch of nostalgia and whimsy. Next is the alternative styles, which include urban modern. Urban modern design blends modern and industrial elements. It features clean lines, neutral colors, and raw materials. Common elements include exposed brick, metal accents, and minimalist furniture. The style is sleek and sophisticated, creating a chic and contemporary look. Urban modern homes are perfect for those who love a modern and edgy vibe. Hollywood glam. Hollywood glam design is luxurious and opulent. It features rich fabrics, bold colors, and dramatic decor. Common elements include velvet furniture, crystal chandeliers, and mirrored accents. The style is glamorous and sophisticated, creating a sense of luxury and elegance. Hollywood glam homes are perfect for those who love a touch of extravagance. Zen. Zen design focuses on simplicity and tranquility. It emphasizes harmony, balance, and a connection to nature. Key features include minimal furniture, natural materials, and a neutral color palette. Common elements include tatami mats, sliding doors, and indoor plants. Zen homes create a serene and peaceful environment, ideal for those who appreciate a calm and meditative space. Steampunk. Steampunk design blends vintage and futuristic elements. It's inspired by the Industrial Revolution and features materials like metal, wood, and leather. Common elements include exposed gears, vintage clocks, and antique furniture. The style is unique and eclectic, creating a sense of adventure and whimsy. Steampunk homes are perfect for those who love a distinctive and imaginative look. Gothic. Gothic design is dark and dramatic. It features rich colors, ornate details, and antique furniture. Common elements include chandeliers, stained glass, and carved wood. The color palette includes deep shades like black, purple, and burgundy. Gothic homes feel mysterious and opulent, ideal for those who appreciate a rich and dramatic aesthetic. Finally, specialty styles that include only transitional. Transitional design blends traditional and contemporary elements. It features a mix of classic and modern furniture, neutral colors, and clean lines. The style is versatile and timeless, creating a balanced and harmonious look. Transitional homes are perfect for those who appreciate a mix of old and new and a sophisticated yet comfortable space. And there you have it, 30 inspiring interior design styles for your home. Whether you prefer classic elegance, modern simplicity, or a vibrant eclectic look, there's a style for everyone. Remember, the best design is one that reflects your personal taste and lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.